Lately Post District Social Welfare Southwest Kasil District Maukrawan. Kublai ki subscribers per kunjuru ya ki viewers ki ba justru tunat ban page ya ki video hapo jong kane ka channel na kapor ya kane ka video ngadon ya ka ban war HP ha ka pede berkikam ki palai te haswa ban boys ka te ka pang ngasngo ban kentu yipi ki viewers ba lada bidang long iba thamai sumba subscribe ya kane ka channel kana ma pinyo ya ki new update enda ngala upload ya ki video kipa thamai hakane ka channel bada ka jikopor ngaso ban kentu yapi khnang ma pin shai par sungtho phila ban pe ya ka video hado manakot khnang ba kinu ki jing bom sutho phila ban sutho lungba ijing batai hakane ka video te manta communication dan tengnya lai sha ka te ka banta ka government of Meghalaya office of the district social welfare officer Southwest Kasil district Maukrawan katkum ka notification bola penmi ka kanyo terik menajun arah jarar punru ngan puli ya ka advertisement. The office of the district social welfare officer invites application from eligible candidates who are citizens of Meghalaya for the following posts on purely fixed monthly remuneration for implementation of the mission Vatsalya scheme in Southwest Kasil district. The appointments are purely on a contractual basis for a period of 1 year, which may be extended based on satisfactory performance. The Kateka Office Social Welfare ka court application ya ki eligible candidate ban apply ya ki teki post ban ka post kan long haka contractual basis ka basis nem kala ban extend ka syongkat kom ka performance jang ki candidate ki patre. Tema tatung ini page ki post ka post rin nomor panengkong ka ka post counselor district child protection unit ka number of post ka way ka age limit ki candidate ki debala don ya ka arp ways nam hadu life hours nam but sans nam ka age relaxation na ka banta jong ki SC lane ki ST candidate ka jing siwa ka sibnai kan long kat prajar sans pa lai pun ka karan puli ki candidate ki depan pandap ya ka graduate in social work lane sociology lane psychology lane public health lane counseling from recognized university lane PG diploma in counseling and communication ki candidate ki depan don ru ya ka work experience ka basis nam hak pede berkap counseling ka post ran barbaar ka ka post project coordinator child helpline ka number of post ka way ka age limit kan long arpway hatu life hours nam but sans nam ka age relaxation na kapanta jangki SC lani ki ST candidate ka salary kan long life wajar sibnai ka qualification ki candidate ki develop pandap ya ka postgraduate or graduate in social work lani sociology lani child development lani human right public administration lani psychology lani surgery lani law lani public health community resource management from a recognized university with 2 years experience in project formulation. Kawa experience hak pede berketika post ki candidate ki developan ya kawa experience kapa arsnem hak pede berka office administration. Ka post ren barbalai name of the post case worker child helpline. Ka number of post kawi ka age limit na kapta jong ki candidate kan long arpways nam hadu life hours nam but sans nam ka age relaxation na kapta jong ki SC lane ki ST candidate ka salary kan long khat saw hajar sibnai ka qualification hak by de ka post ki candidate ki development dep ya ka class 12 pass hak by de ka work experience na kapta ka post ki kan prefer ya ki candidate ki ba latre hak ki emergency helpline proficiency in computer ki interest candidate kila ban apply ya ketika post lengba ka offline mood hakapor balong office ban kalas date ban apply ya ketika post kan long hakalai tarik pada Julai arajar ar punreo ka by application na kamta ketika post kan long shis patangka na kamta jong ki general category but san potangka na kamta jong ki SC bat SD kategori. Ki kandidat ki hapan lai submit ya ki kot kisla ki koton kambar khoj apo ka district social welfare officer Southwest Kasil district Mokorwan. Na kamta ki jiktip ki ba kham bunia phila ban lai ya ka website chungka southwestkasil.gov.in. Te perlok la da pisau tanat ya ka video phila ban like bat kumjuru phila ban share syaki perlok ki ba hinga semjong pi ki baron kam ya ki jiktip ha ka bete bat ki kam ki ba like. Tangkum ta perlok Insia kendu akawai pan ka video kublai shibun.